Welcome to Ruissalo, the island getaway just a short hop from Turku City, where the trees are older than your grandma's pancake recipe, the sea sparkles in the sunlight, and the camping vibes are so strong you can almost smell the barbecue smoke through the screen. Now, let's start with the bird's eye view. Look at that coastline. The Baltic Sea is wrapping itself around the island like a big, friendly hug. From up here, the beaches look like little golden ribbons, and the water? It's 50 shades of blue, and sometimes green, depending on how much algae's in the mood to party. As we glide over the camping area, notice how the tents, camper vans, and cozy little cabins all line up like happy neighbors in a summer village. Some people are masters of camping, with fairy lights strung up, hammocks between trees, and portable grills that could cook a 5-course meal. Others, well, they're still figuring out how to put up the tent without creating modern art. Either way, Ruissalo welcomes everyone. But Ruissalo isn't just about camping. This island is basically Turku's crown jewel. Once upon a time, it was a retreat for the upper class. Fancy villas were built here in the 1800s, and many of them are still standing, painted in pastel colors, looking like gingerbread houses straight out of a Nordic fairy tale. From above, you can spot them hidden among the trees, like little pieces of history peeking through the forest. Speaking of trees, let's talk nature. Ruissalo is famous for its oak forests. Yes, oak trees. Big, ancient, and wise, like the Gandalf of the plant kingdom. Some of these oaks have been here for hundreds of years, watching generations of campers struggle with marshmallows and mosquito spray. They're part of the largest continuous oak forest in Finland, which makes Ruissalo pretty special. Now, if you zoom in a little lower, you'll see the sandy beaches. This is where the magic happens in summer. Families sunbathing, kids building sandcastles, teenagers pretending to study while secretly scrolling TikTok, and brave souls running into the water only to discover it's colder than they thought. Classic Finnish summer moment, jumping in with confidence, immediately screaming, and then insisting, "It's not that bad," through chattering teeth. Now, let's float over toward the marina. Look at all those boats lined up, bobbing happily. Owning a boat in Finland is basically a personality trait. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can always make friends with someone who does. From the air, the marina looks like a toy set, but trust me, those boats are ready to whisk you off to the archipelago, which has more islands than you can count. Literally. There are over 20,000 islands in the Turku archipelago. Good luck visiting them all. Back at the camping area, you'll notice a mix of vibes. Some people are all about peace and quiet, reading a book under the trees, sipping coffee, maybe even meditating. Others are here for the social side, grilling sausages, playing guitar by the fire, and laughing loud enough for the whole island to hear. That's the beauty of Ruissalo. You can be a Zen hermit or a party animal, and nobody judges. And oh, the sunsets. Just wait until evening. The sun dips low, painting the sky in orange, pink, and purple. The sea reflects it like a giant mirror, and suddenly the whole world looks like it's been photoshopped. This is when you grab your camera, or, let's be honest, your phone, and pretend you're a professional photographer. No filter needed. Now, fun fact, Ruissalo is also famous for hosting the Ruis Rock Festival, one of the oldest rock festivals in Europe. Picture it. Thousands of people dancing in the same oak forest where you just had your peaceful morning walk. By day it's calm, by festival weekend it's pure madness. Only in Finland can you go from birdsong to bass drop in the same spot. As we drift further inland, look at the network of trails crisscrossing the island. Perfect for cycling, jogging, or my personal favorite, slow walking while holding an ice cream. The trails lead you through meadows full of wildflowers, dense forests, and little surprises like hidden beaches or old villas tucked behind the trees. From above, it's like a green puzzle waiting to be explored. If you keep your eyes sharp, you might even spot wildlife. Birds, of course, are everywhere. Swans glide across the water like royalty, while gulls are basically the noisy neighbors of the sea. And if you're lucky, you might catch sight of a fox or deer trotting through the woods. Don't worry, they're more scared of your tent than you are of them. Now, let's circle back to the camping grounds. Look at that wide open space. Kids are running, Dogs are wagging their tails, someone's probably burning their first pancake on a portable stove. There's something about camping that makes the simplest things hilarious, like forgetting the tent poles or realizing you left your toothbrush at home. But that's the charm. The little chaos moments become the best memories later. From the air, you can see how close everything is. The sea is right there, the forest hugs the camp from behind, and the city of Turku is just a short drive away. So you get the best of both worlds, nature's tranquility and city convenience. Need more snacks? Pop back into Turku. Want to escape the world? Just stay put and listen to the waves. Now, let's talk about those long summer nights. In Finland, the sun likes to work overtime in July. It doesn't fully set, it just kind of takes a nap near the horizon. So even at midnight, there's a golden glow in the sky. Sitting by the water at 1 a.m. with the sky still lit feels a little surreal, like you hacked time itself. It's the kind of thing you can't really explain until you experience it. In paradise, seen from above. Thanks for flying with me today. If you enjoyed this aerial adventure, don't forget to breathe in deeply, smile at least once, and maybe plan your own trip here. Until next time, keep your drone batteries charged, your marshmallows unburned, and your heart open for more travel memories.